Hi guys, it's Vincent from Wonders of London, waiting for the bells. And the bells are very, very fitting because today I am visiting a very interesting barber shop which is known as Jack the Clipper, and it is on number 47 Bow Lane. And in the Jack the Clipper barber shop you can get some amazing perfume from Penhaligons. If you follow me down here, you can see their selection, which is quite an amazing selection. So there you've got Penhaligons, you've got body cream as well over here, and you have cologne as well. Dun, dun, dun. Here we have some of the old publications, the police news. Now, while you're here waiting to get your hair cut in the Jack the Clipper barbershop, as you might imagine, there could be a queue sometimes. It is quite empty today, but if you do have to wait, you can wait in style, because what you actually have over here is a collection of drinks that you can have as you wait. And you can actually see they got some Remy Martin over there. Which is your favorite drink? Have a look at that. This is getting your haircut in style. They also feature LED lighting, and you can see there London born and bred. Lovely play on London born and bred there. They also have some interesting artwork, as you will see momentarily as I pan down over here. Here we have Jack's Hall of Fame, and you have the images of 3 of the Jack the Ripper suspects. One of these 3 men could have been Jack the Ripper. Here we have the manager. How long has the shop been open?
3.5 years now.
And how many shops do you have?
We have 6 all around the city.
Who do you think Jack the Ripper was?
Polish barber, Kominski. That's why.
Alright. Thank you very much and have a lovely day.
Thank you so much.